Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 90, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix the trouble when the screen is not respond on this device. So sometimes we can have this trouble because we have physical damage of our device. So in this situation we need to get this device to the customer service, but sometimes we can have this trouble because of MUI, because of Honor UI is just freezing, and we need to force restart our device. To force restart Honor 90, we just need to press and hold power and volume down buttons without really indeed during 10 seconds. So press and hold, then after you will feel the vibration, release the pause buttons. So let's try, and cool, the screen is responding now. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.